guys already know I'm gonna make a second one. Shittiest camera. But that is gorgeous. Nico, happy birthday. I want to walk with you. I'm sorry. It's my last sunny day. My last hot day, I should say. Guys, good morning. Welcome back to it. Who knows where you're at, what you're doing, how you're feeling, but I hope you're feeling great. Just kidding. Actually, not really. I hope you are. Today is our last hot day. It's going to be windy today because the temperature is coming in. It's breezing its way in. My biggest thing is firewood. So I'm going to build these crates that will hold my starter, like little twigs and stuff that will keep it dry, and put in some stakes in the ground to start putting my firewood where I want it so they don't fall over. That's my biggest goal because I'm going to need fires 24/7. And then my second goal is to get some of these 4x4 posts up on my deck for some railings. Yeah, I think those are my two biggest things. We'll see though, because you guys know me, ADD, once I start on something, I change my mind. And Ruko's staring at me because he wants me to bring him on a WALK. Crates, let's start. I don't know. I think this is a good size base. This might be really silly. Why don't I just go get a box? This looks like a table. I mean, I guess I could just build a table. I don't even have all the right screws anyways. I gave up on the crate and I'm going to prep my firewood area, which I'm going to put underneath my deck. So it's just easy access and it'll stay somewhat dry because I don't have time to build another freaking shed. And it's ugly down here and I just want it covered. I think it'd be pretty with just like all wood lined. I'm just talking out loud also. This is how I roll. If you haven't realized that I just talk a lot. I talk a lot to myself. And yeah, that's about it. Okay, ciao. Let's get some posts in here. I got me some wood. I don't know if I got gypped or not. Maybe y'all can help me. I paid $100 for about half a load. I mean, it was quite a bit, but I don't know. Did I get gypped? Who knows? Successful day. I didn't build anything crazy, but I got firewood. That's huge. I know this is just gonna start me. This probably will last honestly a couple weeks. So, but once my brothers get here, we're gonna cut down. I think I've told you guys. Don't need to tell you again. We're just gonna be chopping. All right, I'm gonna cut a little bit for some smaller kindling. I wish I had a crate, but I gave up on my crate design. I want to do a quick little shout out to my bros. Samuel Kells has a YouTube channel called Samuel Kells.
highlighted in my channel, over on my channel, so go check him out. And I'm also gonna just say, he's gonna hate me for this, but he was on the latest Outlast Season 2. And he killed it. He's awesome. Both my brothers are awesome. Anyways, go check them out. Samuel Kells, I'm gonna plug them. Gotta be careful out here. I decided to make a crate after all. I really want one for my kindling. So I'm cutting up this pallet and these are gonna be the walls of the crate. So I'm making a crate out of a crate. Or a crate of a pallet? Crate? Whatever. Guys, look at my crate. Look at my crate. I got a cool crate. Crate. Oh, hi, do you need a crate? No problem. I just bulk make them. That's cool. I'm not gonna lie. Look at that thing. You guys already know I'm gonna make a second one. Didn't take me long, and you can't go wrong with having a crate around, you know? Recycling, trash, burn pile, kindling, whatever you need. Just crate it up. Create it up. You guys, I made my crates that I love oh so much. I put them off this morning because I was like, F it, I don't need a freaking crate. And then once I got my wood, I started splitting and I was like, I need my crate. So look, this one is for kindling. I have little hand slots. The kindling won't slide out, you know, easy peasy, super rough. Toss it underneath the deck, no big deal, okay? One, big, great. Second one, little cutie nugget with little knob handles. This is for like all the little starters. So pine straw, there's no holes, so no pine straw's falling out. Little twigs, little starter stuff. Only crappy thing is the screws are sticking out inside because again, don't have smaller screws. Classic, but it'll do. I know that I will probably go through all of this little cute crate box that I created in like a couple days, but it's just the joy of it, Wood. No, truly, this makes me so happy. I'm pretty content with my wood sitch. Hi guys, welcome back. Today, I'm going to build my bed. I've been saying that for weeks. Yeah, I've been putting it off because I just have been doing so many other things, but it's time. I've been sleeping on the ground and it's time to be raised off the floor. I also need more storage, so having storage underneath the bed will be great. So let's build this thing. Let's build it. I can't wait till when I'm done with my yurt to give you guys a full yurt tour inside, but I'm gonna wait until I'm done with it. That's my goal today. Tea. Almost start. 1 2x4, that's 32 inches. Let's pray. This is a 32 Y'all, I finally got the little smaller screws because, you know, I've been just doing everything with those bigger screws. And look at this cute little box. I got it at the local lumber store. And it's just so cute. It's like a little, let's go get some screws in. See ya. It doesn't rain. It looks like it's going to. Didn't call for it, but you never know here. How do we connect these two? I'm pretty stumped on this bed, I'm not gonna lie. I finished that one section in the kitchen without connecting it because I can't figure out how to do that. And this bed is just gonna be way harder than I thought. And I don't think I have enough wood. So I don't know what to do. I'm pretty bummed out. And I also honestly don't know what I'm doing. So I'm just gonna wait. My brother comes back in like a week. He can help me with it, hopefully. He doesn't mind. I'm just sick of sleeping on the floor. Yeah, that's about it. Shittiest camera. That is gorgeous. It's so pretty out, but it is so cold. Well, that does it. Another couple days down, and I'm still slowly preparing for the deep winter. Thank you all so much for watching. It's a pleasure bringing you along my journey. I'm excited to share next week's episode. My brothers are in town. I experienced my first snow, and I hate to say it, but I flew the drone into a tree. I'll see you guys in the comments.